Jesse.
Hey guys, we're down here at MR Audio doing some unboxing of the new Audio Dynamics 6012. So we're going to turn around here and you'll go ahead and start cutting this thing open. So we did one earlier and we know that we've got a box in a box and a box, maybe in a box. These are coming in at over 70 pounds. I think it's 73 if I remember right.
Box inside of a box inside of a box.
These are packaged pretty well. They are quite heavy and they take care of them pretty well with the packaging.
Multiple baffled surround protection.
The magnets supported real well in there also. They take good care of these. All right guys, we got a couple of these out on the couch.
Here, let's get them set on
Stacked
something
spiders, big old motors,
soft. Let's pull it over to something.
carbon caps. Check out the surround on these. Put a remote control next to one of these so you can kind of understand what we're looking at here. Oh, I don't know if that remote's going to work anymore.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's been sitting next to your Neo.
Double stitched tinsel leads. See that 4-inch coil in there and the 4-gauge inputs. We're going to put these things in a box and see how they sound.